Every time you come around, they get salty. Cause you got your back up, pretty mommy. Waste my type shit, you don't need that. Independent girl, best believe that. And I am Shelby.
What's up, seashells? It's Shelby, and welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see, your girl got some glasses, and this man is coming real fast, like he wanna knock me out the street. Anyway, so I'm gonna be showing y'all my new glasses that I got from VOOGLAM, formerly known as VOOGLAM. I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, I got 6 shades to try out, and actually I want to call some of my seashells, like video call, and ask them to rate them. So let's see if that works out. If not, I'm gonna just show y'all the glasses. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Now let's get on into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna be calling some of my subscribers. So the other day I made a story post and I asked who would like to be in one of my videos virtually, and some people said yes and some people said no. So I'm just going to randomly pick some of the people that say yes. Probably like 5 people, and we'll see if they answer and rate my glasses. Okay, no, actually I think I want to call 6 people. So rating, one person will rate each pair of glasses. Yeah, yeah. Please excuse the fan noise. It's very hot, and I ain't got a mic yet. So just bear with me. Bear with the girl. And let's just continue. Okay. All right. Who should I call? I'm gonna call this person named Finesse Jess. Let's see if she'll answer. Hey, I'm gonna miss them chance, you know? Come on now, call him again. Calling, and no response. No answer! Let me say chance, girl. On to the next. Man, what you have to answer about mistake? Answer the phone, girl. Boy, if a mistake. Stay there. If this person doesn't answer, I'm gonna call them back. I think them shy. They never know this day was coming. You know some easy shit? Alright, I'll call her back. She's gonna go in a corner and cry. Well guys, I guess it's just me and you. Hi. What's up? Maybe. I can blur you if you don't want to show your face. So I'm here to ask you to rate my glasses on a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay, alright. The glasses, no. I'm a little bit described with that. Because you know that you want to buy. So let's say a 9.
Okay, we got a 9 people. We got a 9. Okay. Are you okay?
I'm good at this. So my business coming, please.
Tell me your business name.
Okay, that's interview by Tina.
Alright, message it to me and I'll put it on the screen when I put this in there.
I will. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye, guys.
They said bye. Okay. 1 down. I feel nice. Woo! Let's find. I don't know, but I'm gonna do you. Sophia. Let's call Sophia. I've never seen you much in my likes or anything, you know, Sophia. I don't like that. It's giving fake page. And I really love that. Sophia, nah answer. Hello. Hi. So basically, I'm calling because I posted on my story the other day who wanted to be in a virtual video, and you said yes.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, could you rate my glasses?
Like a 6.
Emotional damage.
Okay, what?
6.5.
A 6.5? Why a 6?
Your lights is kind of yellow.
Okay, fair enough, that's fine. It looks like I've been bothering you, so I'ma just go. But thank you for answering. Bye. Why the fuck did you say you wanted to do this if you ain't want to do this? Now I'ma call people I actually know are seashells, cause y'all killing me. Her name Abigail. Alright, Abigail. Don't shame me, Abigail. Again, don't come down
Abigail,
like you know what I want.
Abigail, don't come down like you know what I want.
Will Abigail answer? Find out on Andimshelby. Looks like Abigail is going to start chancing. John or Abigail? We're going to try Josephine.
I'm rooting for Josephine.
Josephine? Me a root for you, girl. No. Watch out, I come message me hi. No, answer the call. Why you ain't answer the call? Hello? Hi. No, that's fine, I can just hear, I just want to hear your voice. I'm gonna ask you one question.
Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, rate my glasses.
8.
8? Why? Why would I get the 10?
Mana dig the black with the color.
So if I did just straight color, you don't like it?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Not bad. So it gives you the 8 out of 10. Okay, thank you. Do you have anything to say to the vlog?
No, hi guys. Take up the today collection.
Text it to me so I can put it up on the screen when I put this in the video.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Come on, Abigail.
Come on, Abigail. Hey, Shelby, what's up? Answer your phone. Jada Lee. You say your name a lot. So I could see if I can answer your phone. Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Shelby.
What's up? What? Oh, you're sleeping? Oh my god, I'm sorry for waking you up. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you rate my glasses?
You got this.
Yes.
8.5.
8.5?
Good 8.5.
Why don't get the 10? Why don't get the 10?
I don't know.
Okay, fair enough. From a 1 and a 6, I'll take it.
It's a good rating.
It's a good rating. Come on. Is there anything you want to say to the vlog?
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. All right, go back to sleep. Thank you for answering.
Yes.
Bye. Okay, we're not going bad. We're not going bad. We're going Trina. I hope he's not lost. Watch out. She called back. Abigail called back.
Come, Abigail, come go up to the group.
No, I call back the girl there first.
The one that's playing? Okay.
I make she come go back her bed. Can't keep her up. Okay, why am I the phone? That's why. Answer the phone, girl. Hi.
Hi.
Did I wake you up?
Yes, you did.
Jaja, everybody can wake up. Eat that.
But it's like 2 a.m. something.
You have to be up. You have to up. Why you sleep?
Why?
Wake up, man. Alright, I'm just asking you one simple question and you can go back to your bed.
Alright, fine.
Rate my glasses from 1 to 10.
Well, you surprised me. Me not tell a lie. Me not like orange. Me not look like orange. It's it, you know. I will give you an 8.
Alright, fine. I'll take it. I'll take the 8. Right, I'll take the 8.
But I want to bundle.
Yeah, right, true. But I can come on. So, yeah. Is there anything you want to say to the vlog?
Hi, vlog.
Alright.
So, we wake me up 2 a.m. Oh my gosh.
My bad. Go on back to sleep.
Channel.
Go on.
And like and share. Watch the ads.
Watch the ads. Yeah, that's her. Alright, sweets. Good night.
Alright, bye.
Bye. She wake up from her bed. I'm so sweet. I'm tell him that one here. This one is a bit
Badass.
Okay. Let's just say it's not my style. You know, I want to see if Abigail is going to be honest with me and give me a low rating. Is if she ever give me an high rating?
Abigail don't want to go.
Abigail.
No one.
All right. Let's see, Abigail. Let's see. No, Abigail. If you don't want to answer the phone, just say that. Abigail mysterious. Abigail stop going like you know what one. It looks like we have to take off it. Oh! Finally!
Hi, Sophie.
Hi, Abigail. Are you studying?
No. No.
Okay.
I don't have to.
Okay. I'm gonna be really quick. You answered a poll the other day, right? So that I was asking who wanted to be in a virtual video, and you said yes. So that's why I'm calling. And I just have one question for you. On a scale of 1 to 10, rate my glasses. Don't lie to me, huh? Oh, y'all talk? I'm not hearing nothing. You had to cover the mic?
Oh, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. I said you're making it work, but I don't love it. So I give it a 6.
Wow. A 6? No, give me an honest. No, be honest, man.
A 6.
A 6?
It don't look bad
Uh-huh.
on you, but I don't love it.
Yeah, I hate it. So it's okay. I hate it. Me, yes. But thank you so much,
You're welcome.
Abigail. That's all I need from you. Is there anything you want to say to the vlog?
How you do?
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Enjoy your night.
You too.
Abigail a liar. Abigail a liar.
This is so bad. So Abigail never lied.
Abigail a liar.
Never lied.
You know what? If she, I'm gonna just take it off. You know. Right now, these are actually my favorites ones. I don't know. It's just giving preppy teacher vibes. It's giving something else, but I would refrain from saying that.
Yeah.
It's giving redacted. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear them, but I'm gonna insert them and try my best. Anyways, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That is the end of this video. Tell me in the comments which glasses were your favorites. This one, the red one, the yellow one, those are my top 3. But no, this one is just giving me a 5. I love this one. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. If I have a coupon code, I will put it up on the screen. In this very moment right now, I don't remember because you know I don't have the thing right now. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.